Hi there everyone, Houston, we have a problem. So I just want to show you something quick my husband and I do to fix a clogged sink, and believe it or not, this is my favorite fix and it only costs $1. And this is the tool that I'm going to be using. I got it from the Dollar Tree and it's a drain router. Let me just show this to you. I know it's a little bit gross what I'm going to show you here, but I assure you this is really very effective to those of you who are having problems. And even when you use liquid plumber or Drano, it only works temporarily or sometimes it doesn't. So this is the tool that a lot of plumbers probably don't want you to see. Okay, so I'm letting it, you don't really have to let the water go down, but I'm just going to be cleaning it up now. So just what I did is I removed the stopper so you could see, but as you can see it's still clogged, right? It's not draining, but you can see already some mess. But this is not for the faint of heart. This is going to be a little gross, so yeah. See here? Just put it all the way in. See that? Now the water is draining, and then pull it up, and that's it. And now if you can see, there are some hair and some things that you would see that normally clogs up that would clog up the sink. See that? Those are some probably dead skin cells and some hair, because even though we don't intentionally clog it with hair, for some reason hair do end up in. See that? Okay, so see, I'm pulling it up some more, and I'm not gonna show you that I'm touching because I didn't put in my gloves. I'm not gonna do that. So what I'm gonna do is remove it with toilet paper, because I'm gonna be flushing this into the toilet. Okay, here we go. Ew, gross. Okay. See that? Lots of hair. And for those of you who shave, my husband sometimes shaves his mustache and goatee here, so that's probably some of it. I just want to show you now, look, I just pulled only a small chunk, let me see, now it's flowing down. There's still some hairs you can see here that are trapped from some of those thorns on the sides here. And look, it will still be capturing a lot. So what I usually do is, you see those chambers there are 4 chambers. Insert this all the way down. Water. Insert this all the way down, and the more you'll be able to look at that hair, that piece of hair there that clogs up, and then just clean it up, and then continue to do it some more. So I cannot do this with just one hand, so I'm going to clean up this thing. And you can see it's still going on. So this is the last chamber. So I did clockwise from this side here to this, and I'm now doing the last chamber. Just to make sure there's nothing else left there. So as you can see, it's clean. It's not clean. It's not capturing or trapping anything. So just do one more. So yeah. So that's it. Takes about, depending on how clogged it is, it takes about just 5 minutes, and it should be done. And then clean this, and then put back your stopper, rinse it a little bit, put it back in there, and look, I'm going to close the stopper, pull up the stopper, plug it, and then see how the water is flowing. Yep, so that's it. Okay, hope everyone is having a great day. Please click like, subscribe, and comment down below, everyone. Share this tip as well with those who think or may have the same problem. Talk to you again in my next video. Bye bye.